Today is 10th of November 2019 and I'm going out to meet Rizwan Azim at Bhatti Gate to see to visit inside Lahore along with him.
आगे श्री सुनाना सिया जलाना आगे श्री सुनाना सिया
One of the old houses in Muri Gate. And look at that.
स्टोरी है अच्छी जिस तरह से ये 1 2 3 स्टेप्स में बनाया है माइथोलॉजिकल
Pots.
अच्छा उसका वो क्वेश्चन है चलो अब लोगों ने ये ज़रा साफ कर लिया और किसी हिंदू स्टाइल अच्छा इन्हीं की मतलब खसूसियत की है
ये पुरानी तहजीब है कि मशहूर ए तहजीब है
झंडा क्यों कहते सी
झंडा चौ झंडा इस वास्ते इसको कहते हैं मरकज
अच्छा अच्छा देखो झंडा लगा
देखो ने चौ झंडा मशहूर इस मरकज किया जाता
अच्छा
है इस शहर का मरकज इतने इकट्ठे होकर बैठ जाते
ठीक है
This is Haveli Nonihal Singh in Muri Gate. Now converted to a girls' school.
I am a friend of my dear friend Mr. Haruni and my name is Rizwan Azim. I am a professional architect and also teach in different universities and my interest is in the history and architecture of the old city.
And a lover of Lahore.
And a lover. You see, this is the place inside the walled city of Lahore, and we came all the way from Bhatti Gate into this place, and this is called Bhaiyan Maidan, the brothers' quarter or the brothers' square. And very important thing here is a old Haveli from early 19th century. During the time of Ranjit Singh, Maharaja Ranjit Singh, one of his grandsons by the name of Nonihal Singh, he was the sponsor for this construction, and this is very unique in the character because it shows the outcome of many styles. British and French and before that the Mughals and Sikh themselves, the Punjabi style, all of these styles are here. Unfortunately this Haveli is right now closed because of Sunday and this was given to a school by the name of Victoria Girls School by the name of the Empress Victoria at that time. And now it is run as a girls' school. One important thing inside is a top level kiosk, you can say a pavilion, which was used to catch the fresh air at the third or fourth floor. And that is inside, it is all covered with murals, fresco murals of Sikh period, and they show different stories from Hindu mythology. So that is one place which is available on net. You can see the pictures of Haveli Nonihal Singh and you will find what kind of paintings are inside. Otherwise in the plan it is a square building with a courtyard inside which goes all the way in 3 floors. and there are some balconies all around, and the rooms are now occupied by the school. So that this is a small background of this place, and you can see other buildings which are not that old,
But
but
still.
they are decorated with different color glasses and nice rail work. And, people maintain this area as a public square, and nobody comes here without any. You can see there is no commercial activity here, and peace and calm. So this is a quite unique square inside the walled city. This is a combination of different styles and beautifully merged together to create a masterpiece. And you can see some of the details on the panels. You will find some Mughal style paintings of flowers and trees and botanical details. And side by side you will find that there are some brackets there. And these brackets are typically the Hindu temple brackets which are used in temples. So they use it also in the same way as they have taken from Mughal architecture. And similarly, this balconies and woodwork is very nicely done with the local craftsmen of Punjab who are like places like Chinnor and Bhera.
Right.
And they were employed by the royal court, and this building was made.
How about these frescoes?
These frescoes are also the remaining craftsmen from the Mughal period who were employed earlier by Shah Jahan and the other emperors. Afterwards, when the Sikhs came here and Maharaja Ranjit Singh became the ruler, he employed all those craftsmen for his structures.
Right. And that pillar which has
Pillars are definitely the local influence, especially from the Hindu architecture. You can see in the base of the pillar, you will find the lotus tree motif, which is Buddhist and Hindu symbol of purity and spirituality. And these are the details which are not found away from Lahore, mostly in Lahore, in Multan and some in Delhi, but this is very local. And you see in the main gate, there are always, this is a typical architectural detail, that they have two sitting places, which are for the darban or the person who guides the door. And these are the stands for the two persons who will always see that nobody could enter without permission.
And we can see the parrots over there.
Yes.
Under that.
Yes.
So the use of birds and animals
yes.
and elephants over there.
That's right. That is very beautiful.
In relief they
yes,
have made.
yes.
And the cypress, always they show cypress.
Oh, yes. Cypress is a Sufi tradition.
Sufi tradition, yes.
Because that shows the creator. But they have adopted it from the Mughal buildings. So these are very, if you can
Very
spend more
interesting.
time, you will find many things which are taken from different. For example, these flower vases, they are inspired by the murals done in Jahangir's tomb, for example. And similarly, they are done
And
here.
also we can see two angels, one over there and
yes,
one over there.
yes.
It's very interesting to see.
Yes, that you can make a close up for that.
Yes,
because
I'm making trying to show that under this
Yes.
jharoka.
And I can see this is a horse or something over the angel. There is an angel. And
Yes,
there is a horse.
There's a horse,
Yes.
and underneath is an angel.
Yes.
Same here. On both sides, and then we can see figurines of humans in the
Naturally.
between.
So you can
and
see,
parrots.
you can
so
see,
many things.
Beautiful.
So many elements are using
And
in
these
decorating.
the domes over the
Yeah.
balconies, they are typically
Sikh.
period.
With the lotus
yes.
leaves showing.
right.
Very good, very interesting.
So you can see
Beautiful.
how tastefully they
Tastefully
made
this is done, and this is just the facade.
This is the
And once you go inside, you
Inside,
see
very right.
Beautiful interior as well.
And I'm, as an architect, I'm fascinated by the way they have constructed. Even today, very little maintenance work is done, but structure is so strong that it withstands all those problems. And you will see, normally in Lahore, the problem of this seepage is too much, and the foundations is a problem. But you can see all the brickwork is dry here.
Yeah.
I don't know how they have done it,
Yeah.
but there is no seepage.
No seepage or dampness.
Dampness.
And then you don't need air conditioners
No.
because of those
Exactly.
air
Grills.
grills,
Yes.
to-
At the top
for
level
the
is
window.
the building. Where all the paintings are done.
Oh yes.
And that is a luxurious place that some other day we will see.
Sure.
This is the main entrance to the small courtyard, and then inside there is a gate to the school.
Okay.
रागे श्री सुनाना